other documents.
Hi guys! For today's video, ang oobi kami at ito po yung
English.
ito po ang
Ay,
kapatid
ayoko
ko.
English.
Tayo English? Okay po. Okay, so we're gonna play today's video and we're gonna start out. By the way, you need to like and subscribe so I can make more videos. Oh, seriously, I will do that. So right now, I'm with my brother and my mom here beside me. I don't know why. Stop!
Make loud.
People is getting on my way. That's why I'm falling. Oh my god. I hate this.
Louder.
People are really, really annoying. Come on. So I'm getting, my goal is to get to the shop. Please get like and subscribe. This is my first time, please. So.
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Oh yeah, I forget that. So my mom will tell you later. But about the end of the video, I will tell you my. If you want more videos, like and subscribe, because I will thank you if you did. Oh my god, there's this one is, oh my god, someone's gonna be, oh my god.
Ouch, ouch.
Someone did go there. I'm just gonna try to get there. Oh my god.
Hey.
People are actually trapping us and making us fall, and I just died. Oh my god, guys. And I forgot this to say you that there's really actually, I don't know, but
Hey, who's that guy? Wait.
oh my god, she's gonna trap me. Oh my god.
Cheers?
I almost died. I almost
Who's
fall.
that?
Guys, I'm sorry if I'm messing this up. It's my first time and I don't know really how to do things. So I'm sorry if I did something wrong.
Where's your brother?
Here. And my brother just leave the game already. I don't know. So guys, I'm sorry for the loud sounds for doing something.
I don't know how to play that. Is that Roblox?
Yeah, someone is really trapping me. Come on, let me go. I'm just starting my new video, guys. Please like and subscribe down below. Oh my god, I just fall. By the way,
That's your
guys,
first video?
I cannot get to the top. People are trapping. Oh my god. You know what, guys? People are really trapping. If you do this in this
Where are you
game,
going, guys?
I'm going to the top. Oh my god, I just fell.
Why I don't see any plants there?
Oh
It's
my
all
god, I'm
blacks.
going to get
Can
to
you
the top.
find your place? I want pretty place.
Oh my god, I cannot get to
There's
the
no
top.
tree? Are you in the backs? Building what?
Oh my god, I'm obbying.
I don't know that.
That's a game that you need to complete it.
I'm sorry, I'm now playing Roblox.
This is my mom talking to me and
Later,
talking to
please
you
help
too.
me to play or teach me, please.
I'm trying to teach mom how to obby that last time.
What's obby means? Is it obby-gyne?
Last time I teach you how to obby and you just...
What obby means?
You mean obby means you need to complete the obby and I just fell.
What is obby?
I hate these people. They always make me fail. That's why I hate the game if I'm going to obby. I hope, guys, you know what? I will make a next video if you like and subscribe.
Oh, we keep repeating.
I need to get likes. I'm sorry if I'm telling you to like and subscribe. If you want to like and subscribe, please like and subscribe. If
like
you
and
don't,
subscribe Alexandra on her YouTube channel.
It's my first time making this, and my brother teach me how, and I just learned.
Alexandra,
and it's my first time doing this again. Please no. Yes, there's someone there. They're like trapping me and making me fall. That's why.
I thought you're Alexandra.
Oh my god! I hate this. You know what, guys? We're gonna end this video now. I hate this word.
Oh, are you tired?
Yeah, I'm tired. People are waiting me. Bye!